niggas treat me like an icon, but I'm a young nigga in my early 20s on the flow. Sound so Caucasian, but I'm from West. Y'all gon' have to get a makeup kids, cause this shit I'm coming with is pretty ugly. The boys told me, man, they dumb it down, so I did. Otherwise, I'm
Yo, what's good, guys? So I'm sure you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be taking you guys through a full day as a 24-year-old travel content creator currently in Ghana. So I do have family out here in Ghana, so that's where I'm staying. And it's nice to actually have a consistent base to be able to, you know, actually function like a normal human being, which is different from always traveling, always having to move. You know, sometimes you might randomly have to hop to a whole different island. Like, it does get a little tiring. Again, I'm thankful for what I do, but it does get a little tiring. I'm trying to establish a routine, and with that routine, the first thing of the day is going to the gym.
Today, you're gonna start it off with a special leg day for Mr. Joshua, because I know.
All right, chill out here. We can just end the vlog now. It's fine. It's like that.
Nah. A special leg day for Mr. Joshua. You feel me? You're gonna kill the legs today. You're gonna hit. It's a surprise. Y'all gonna see, but man, after that, of course, gotta get some work done. You might go to the beach, get some work done over there. I don't know, but yeah, get some work done. Yeah, let's just see what Ghana's talking about. Let's see if Ghana is a nice place to live, or if Ghana is an alright place to live. So that's a mission for today.
40 lane rappers could hit me up, I'm doing it a few pounds. But since they did it, it's all for myself, and I'm happy they took none. Whoa, they're pushing with weapons. They want me to drip like my semen, but I put all these niggas in bandages and still run away with the women. We got a bad blood, nigga, please don't act tough. I just stretch your anatomy, look at the damages. I'm more like a cyborg, executing rappers like I'm death row. Please don't be mad at your girl if you hear my music on the phone as a ringtone. I used to do it for free, but now if you want it, y'all gonna have to pay for it.
So as y'all can see, get some work done. This is phase one, I like to call it. Phase one is usually client work, and then phase two is my own work. I got YouTube. YouTube pretty much is what takes up most of my time on my own work. I want to get back into Instagram, but I spend too much time making reels just for them to flop. So maybe once I start getting a consistent schedule and I start getting my YouTube back popping, then we'll move over to Instagram and start posting more. It's pretty much what a work day looks like. Yo, what's good, guys? It's a new day. So welcome to Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum. It's supposed to be a pretty significant area, so today we're here to find out. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process of shooting just a little cinematic sequence. Most ideas are kind of just thought up like on site. Like today, I'm here in the plaza, square, whatever you want to call it, and I see this like long stretch of road, and there's nobody here, so my first thought is to go to the end and do a hyperlapse. All you need to do is take your camera, focus at one point, and for instance, this point is going to be Kwame Nkrumah's face, and then you're going to take a few steps, depending on the distance from your starting point to your subject. You're going to take like 1 to 4 steps. I'm going to do 2 steps just to save time, but you're going to take your center marker, align it with his head, take 1 step closer, 1 step closer, and 1 step closer. You're gonna take a picture every single time. 1, 2 steps, line it up, take a picture. 1, 2 steps, line it up, take a picture. And I'm pretty much gonna do that all the way through. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bunch of pictures, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results. I don't know the total amount of pictures I've taken, so I'm gonna drop that number right here. That's how many pictures I took to achieve the hyperlapse. Like I said, you can do it with video. It's a lot quicker if you do it with video, but I think in post, you get a lot more flexibility. Around the statue, it's surrounded by Adinkra symbols. They're symbols that hold different meanings and significance to Ghanaians. Like this one, for instance, this one is Jinyami, but there are many more, and they do hold a lot of meaning. So I think it would be kind of cool to encapsulate that by taking a match cut picture of every single one of them and putting them together. This is gonna be a pretty fast-paced beginning. I think it'll be a nice little change of pace. I'm gonna use the rule of thirds as best as I can, and I'm just gonna line it up, make sure it's level, and then take the picture. Next, I wanna think like, what details are important to capture? I kind of captured the mausoleum, but I didn't get any detail shots, so I'm gonna walk around, see what's interesting, and capture it. So I don't have a gimbal, so I'm gonna try to walk as slow as possible. Try to keep the star in the center. This shot can also be speed ramped and stabilized in post, so I'm not super worried about being too shaky, although it would have been a million times better with the gimbal. And now we're inside the mausoleum. Rest in peace, my mans Kwame Nkrumah. So now we're gonna capture details. Really for this, if you don't have a shot list, you literally just want to capture anything that looks interesting. And if not, you could literally just shoot random stuff and then maybe you can figure out what to do with it in post. Always shooting more is better than not shooting enough. How's it going?
Shooting a music video, and I'm not even an artist, but
I seen you over there dancing. I saw the vision, that didn't look tough.
each day, each vlog, I'm trying to incorporate something that I've never tried before, so that's the plan. For y'all content creators, creatives, videographers, make sure y'all get out your comfort zone. That's the #1 thing when it comes to video making.
All right, so that's gonna be it for the Memorial Park. Let me know what you think about the behind the scenes. If you want me to drop more tips and tricks to show you guys how I shoot, so you can learn a little bit, you could gain some new ideas, you know, overall become a better videographer. Let me know what you think about the final sequence. It wasn't too crazy, but I think I really liked it. But yeah. They just turned the lights on, so I'm low-key gonna shoot a little bit more, but after that, I'm gonna catch you guys wherever I catch you. Peace out.
You don't just get skills and then you're famous. It's not, you gotta like put in work.
Yeah. All these other rappers talking shit like they're the greatest of all time. I'm a carnivore. Go to what I feed on at lunchtime. R&B nigga, and I usually don't rap too much. Before I proceed, shout out to Big Pumps. I'm so pissed off. Just like cavities, I brush you off. Stepping on my haters.
So Josh showed me a TikTok earlier, and there was a library. I was like, all right, not bad. I mean, it might be all right. And then I walked in here, and I was like, bro, why are we in the library, bro? This is some cut, bro. Kwame, Josh's cousin, started pulling out books, and I was like, damn, hold up, this is actually pretty tough. And I opened up this book, and I was inspired. I shot a little cinematic sequence with this book that involves like African soccer pitches, soccer fields. So now I'm trying to find a soccer field in Ghana and shoot some nice shots and finish off this cinematic sequence.
All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for the Decon Center. It's definitely a cool place for creatives. If you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or just an artist in general, I think you'll like this place. Seeing some of them images, like, it's definitely giving me some ideas, some inspiration. But I really do want to get a film camera and kind of get more into photography in the future. So hopefully that might be something coming soon.
Greatest in the world, that's my description of me. But so easy, I can do this every day.
Now we're here at Rehab. Nice little cool beach spot. Ocean right behind me. The sun is beaming though, but it's not super hot today. It's just very bright. Definitely a cool spot. We're gonna see what the food is hitting on. So I low-key have been eating a lot of jollof lately, so I am an expert at this point in time. I'm not about to give you a whole like food review. I'm just gonna let you know if the jollof is mid compared to what I've been eating, or if it's fire. Let's try it. That's pretty good. Pretty solid. I say, compared to the average I've been eating lately, I say this is above average. Apart from the Fat Nights and Beaufort, it's the first meal of the day, so it's about to go crazy. That's gonna be it for Rehab Beach. And honestly, I don't know what else we have planned for the rest of the day, but just booked my Uber home. And I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna see you guys whenever I see you. But peace out for now.
Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you.
I got everything you didn't need, I be the plug. Pop the whole pill, my hair wavy like a shore. Pretty camera ran, so I had to stash the drugs.
What's good, y'all? So I don't know if y'all can tell, but right behind me we got the Jamestown Lighthouse, meaning we are in Jamestown, Ghana right now. This is a pretty old historic town. It was built in like the 1700s, I think, by the British. It was originally meant for trade, but eventually they got mixed in with the slave trade as well. So this place does hold a lot of cultural significance in Africa. So I'm excited to check it out. But today is gonna be a B-roll day. As you can tell from this setup, this is Chris' camera right now. He got the monitor, basically like pretty rigged out. Chris is using my camera. We also got the gimbal. This is part of like us trying to explore more of Accra and see what really see what Ghana has to offer. I do know that the best boxers in Ghana come from Jamestown apparently. I see some boxing gyms when we were driving past here a couple of days ago. So maybe we might be able to meet some boxers or get some shots. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. I have no plans except for to shoot some good content. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Somehow I guess we're kind of wrapped up into this tour. We're here at the school. They have a basketball court, which we're standing on right now. Got the boxing gym. Like I said, the best boxers do come from Jamestown, so I've heard. So let's see.
Number 5. Box.
Bro, the shots are very, very tough. It's very, very cool. But bro, I don't know if y'all could tell, bro, but I'm literally sweating. It's mad hot, mad humid in here. And you know, we're not even the ones boxing, so hey, big ups to these guys doing their thing out here. Very, very cool stuff. The best boxers in Africa.
Joshua Clottey, he fought with a Philippine, Manny Pacquiao.
Really?
There's boxer from this gym.
From this gym?
That is him. With no shirt. Richard Comey also live in the US. So best boxers are from this gym.
From this gym right here?
Great boxers.
Damn. So y'all heard it here, bro. Man's going with Manny Pacquiao. That's from this gym. That's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So we're here at the soccer field now. We just finished at the gym. I think the guy said he wanted to take us to the governor quarters. I really don't know what's going on, but we're gonna make the best of it. I got the top handle employed. Now I'm about to, ooh, damn. I'm about to get deep into the action. Hopefully I don't disturb their game and they don't kick me out, but I think the shots are gonna be tough. We're in the village.
Bingo, sleep, bingo, sleep, Baba, Victoria, I Lada, Victoria, I Lada, bingo, sleep, bingo, sleep, bingo, sleep, bingo, sleep, Baba, Victoria, I Lada, Baba, Victoria, I Lada, bingo, sleep, bingo, sleep.
My roster man said we're in the back of the palace. As you can see, it's very different from our area. It kind of reminds me of like some parts of like Kibera and Kenya, low key. It's like I don't even know you would call a place like this. I don't want to say like village or city or whatever, but low key, I'm feeling like a stronger sense of community here than anywhere else I've been in Ghana so far. So pretty cool place.
We are doing a great thing in the community. So when we bring people around here, we tell them the problems or the issues that we are facing. So this tank was donated by a friend from the US. So people fetch water free for years.
Okay.
So this tap is for free for the community. Everyone comes here to fetch water.
I can taste it?
Yeah, you can taste it.
Bro, that don't taste like straight. That don't taste like straight copper, bro. Straight nickels.
This one, this is the drillage. Let me taste it.
Bro, it tastes like. Nah, bro. Nah.
You don't want to swallow, bro.
Imagine you took a bottle of water, you emptied your whole piggy bank in that joint and boiled it, stirred it around for a good 30 minutes, put that joint in like out on the counter to get to room temperature and then drink it. That's what it tastes like, bro. That was tragic water, bro. Even the waters in Kibera was a million times better than that, bro. A million times better than that. So now we're headed to the beach. Apparently it's the local beach, so we're gonna get a different type of experience. My man Jonathan, he's from the Netherlands or Dutch. I'm so sorry, I already forgot. But he said this place is a lot like Cape Coast. It's more of a local spot, so we're gonna go check it out.
When slave trade was abolished in the year 1833, 7 ships arrived into the first port and harbor. 3 went to the other direction, and the rest of the 4 lives here. So this is the portion, Brazilian's house, the street known as Brazil Street. Descendants of Brazilians are here. And the next building is Franklin. Means one of the slave masters returned back to do slavery. When slave trade was abolished in the year 1833. By doing that time, it's not like Africans have known what is slavery. So they beat Mr. Franklin and they ran away. So this portion known as Franklin House, the slave house.
So we're headed down to the beach. I don't know what kind of paths these are, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This is an interesting builds. Yo, it's kind of tough. It's kind of tough scenarios. Like I've never seen anything like this. We got all the boats, so we're gonna go down there and see what Jamestown Beach is talking about. It should be interesting. We'll go check it out.
What you got going on over here?
Setting up the gimbal, trying to be as fast as possible. I'm pretty much done. Just gotta do the last axis, I think. I think that should be straight. This is pretty quick setup, so I don't know how good the balancing about to be, but there's only one way to find out. What we got going on over here?
We got some red fish, fried fish.
As you can see, it is a whole fish.
What's going on over here? How was it?
That was very good, I'm not gonna lie. How much was it for a bag of fish?
10.
That's it? Very good price. Got to see a little bit of Jamestown. Although I thought we were gonna go like deep, like this way into Jamestown, not this way, but it's still pretty cool. Got to see the beach and all that. Now my man's Jonathan. We met him like literally like when we started the tour. He's giving us a ride home back to Kanishi, so saving us a little bit of bread from the boat. So shout out to him. We're gonna head back, get some work done. But I say today was a pretty successful day. What about you?
Yeah, I got what I needed.
Where'd you get this?
If you know, you know. You gotta watch the vlog to find that out.